So let's say that I want to access my documents folder, and to go around this route always, so opening up the file explorer and going up to libraries and going up to documents takes a bit of time. So I want to have it ready immediately. If you want to have everything ready immediately, you can actually create a shortcut in your desktop. So in order to do that, I'm going to right click anywhere on an empty space right here. I'm going to click on new and I'm going to choose shortcut. Once I actually click that, you can see a new shortcut has been made and it asks me to type the location of the item. So I can type in the location manually if I know where to type in. But anyways, in this case, I'm going to click on browse. So now I'm going to choose the folder where I want the shortcut to. So this also works for applications and files. So it works for anything basically. So in this example, we are taking folder. So I'm going to go on to my libraries, on to my documents. This is the folder that I want. So you see that OK pops up now. I can press OK and documents is there. I can press next and it tells me what I want to rename this to. So I'm going to rename this to my documents and I'm going to press finish and there you go. You see the icon of the document as well. So if I were to double click this, you can see that my document now opens up. So whenever I want to access this file out, I can simply double click over here. So another thing that you can also do is you can pin this to the taskbar. So on the start menu, you can see that there are some space here. So I can actually right click on this shortcut and then pin to start. And once I do that, once I go to start menu, I'll be able to see it here. As you can see, my documents just appeared and I can rearrange this however I want. So I'm just going to unpin this for now. This is one way to create a shortcut. There's the other way as well. So I can go to this PC as you can see, or you can go to the Explorer and I'm going to go to my documents right over here. So let's create the shortcut for my documents. So I can simply right click on this and then click on create shortcut. So it does not allow me to create shortcut over here on this PC folder. So I'm just going to press yes and it'll place a shortcut onto my desktop. Or I can go inside. Let's say I want to create a shortcut for Camtasia folder. I am simply going to right click over here and I'm going to click create shortcut and here you go, there's a shortcut. So I can simply drag this in out over here just like that. And of course I can drag it back wherever I want. But if I were to delete this folder, then the shortcut won't work. So it actually works like a dead shortcut. Let us try it out with this Premiere profile right here. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to click on create shortcut right here and drag it out. And then I'm going to delete the main file. You can see that the shortcut is still there. But if I were to double click, you can see that the item has been deleted. So you can actually delete the shortcut as well. So this error pops up. You can simply delete that out and the shortcut is deleted. So it's very common for shortcuts to still be there even if the original files are not. So that's the way how you can create shortcuts inside of Microsoft Windows 10. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.